Stop scrolling if you want a sharper mind. What's the secret to boosting focus fast? One herb. Rosemary. Yes, that fragrant kitchen favorite does more than spice up your dishes. Packed with antioxidants and compounds like carnosic acid, rosemary supports memory retention and fights mental fatigue. Need to dive into a demanding project? Keep a sprig nearby or brew up a soothing rosemary tea. It stimulates cognitive function and helps you think clearer. And here's a wild trick. Studies suggest simply inhaling rosemary's aroma can improve accuracy in mental tasks by up to 75%. Who knew a humble herb had such potent focus powers? It's easy to grow too. Just keep it in a sunny windowsill and water sparingly. Stay sharp and keep your mind on point with this natural, everyday superherb. Follow for daily herb wisdom from your healing harbor.